People often tell me that I am the most patient person that they know. And I have learned over the years to be very patient. A pastor friend many years ago, 20, 30 years ago, told me never pray for patience because God will test you over and over again until you achieve it. And I learned that very quickly. So I never prayed for patience after that. But I have become a very patient person. And I'm finding that I don't know if people take advantage of me because of that, or if I just don't let things bother me so much because of my gift of patience. But I'm at the point now where I'm tired of things not getting accomplished, projects not being finished, and not having any control over that. And I'm struggling with how to get beyond that. I've had a couple people working on my house, and one said he did things and promised to do lots of other things that never got finished. And another one might be doing a great job, but it's not at a pace that I would like to see it done. So I'm trying to keep the peace about myself to get beyond this. So I think I'm just going to set a time frame and say I need this and this done by this date, and if it's not done, bye, Felicia. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.